Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the one-touch mold guide frame adjustment system on our 6-side EPS packaging machine. To make an adjustment, simply select a saved recipe on the touchscreen. The machine will automatically adjust the width and height of the mold guide frame. At the same time, the centering mechanism is automatically synchronized with the guide frame adjustment, eliminating the need for manual readjustment. Compared with conventional adjustment methods, this feature significantly reduces changeover time between different products, making machine operations smarter, faster, and easier. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.